All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards, the rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about three things. Dogecoin, up right now. Ding, ding, ding. What's going on with Dogecoin? Shiba Inu, with this Shiba, where we're going to hold that until we get the Shiba Inu, and the Piston token launched today. The race has started. Did you get your tokens? Did you get started? Three good things today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day own that cryptocurrency and rock it with it. So, all right, let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin is ranked at number 11. Right this second, usually you see Shiba right next to it. Shiba's down to 15. Now Dogecoin is up. Look at that, 18%. Holy cow, everybody. It's almost trading at 17 cents. It's up 13% today. Holy cow, the Dogecoin is up 13% today. Things are going good for the Dogecoin. So this is the chart that it looks like for today. And for the last 7 days, it even looks better. It's been going up, up, up. So Dogecoin has got a lot of traction going on right this second. Fantastic. You know, everybody knows Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by the Shiba worldwide. Elon Musk thinks we're pretty cool. So a lot of good things going on with the Dogecoin right this second. So the Dogecoin community can help. Please convert your Doge and send it to the Doge Army signal post. You know, they're helping Ukraine here. Please message Dogecoin FDN. We can help spread the message. This is a time for making a fraction, but unity is one thing we're doing right. So stand with the people of Ukraine, now accepting cryptocurrency donations in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD. So I got that going on. The internet tipping currency since 2014. We got the tipping. Please add Dogecoin to the tipping jar option. It just makes sense, too much sense. The OG tipping cryptocurrency on the internet belongs here. Everyone else can sign the petition. So you sign the petition, over 5,000 sheep strong and counting. Look at that. So pretty good on this. This is where they want you to basically sign your petition so we can get Dogecoin to be on the tipping here. Yeah. The OG tipping currency. Sign the petition. All right, over at the website, Dogecoin. One Dogecoin equals one Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by the Shiba Inus worldwide. Get started. Choose your wallet. A lot of people are using MetaMask. I mean, you can use Binance, you can use Coinbase, you can use KuCoin, and go on and on and on. What is Dogecoin? We'll come back to this. The fun and the friendly internet currency. Dogecoin, how to get started. So can you believe it? It's up this much. Dogecoin is going back to the moon, hopefully. Well, we'll see what happens. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, Piston race launched today. Let's check out Piston for a slight second before we go to Shiba. Piston token, today's the day. Everybody wishes they would have got in Drip when Drip Network started a year ago. 6 months later, people are wishing they would have got in. 9 months later, it's actually coming up on its 1 year anniversary, Drip Network. So that's fantastic with Drip, but people wish they could get into the Drip Network. Well, this is where Drip Network was a year ago. Today's the first day. Yesterday, you could buy tokens. The public, everybody that wanted to buy them could buy them. I ended up getting some tokens. The pre-launch and the other pre-launch sold out in 30 seconds. Sold out in 6 seconds. I think a second got sold out. I mean, 1 second, the whole thing sold out. No, I'm just kidding. It was like 30 seconds. But anyways, let's head over to Piston. All right, so here we go at the Piston token. Piston token started. The Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. All right. We've talked about the Piston token, talked about the Piston race. You have to have the token to do the race. The token will run the ecosystem, fully tradable for everybody, built on the Smart Chain BSC. There's 1 million PSTNs, 10% tax on exchange buys, 10% tax on sale buys. You earn 1% daily. Max payout is 365% of your daily deposit. Reinvest and maximize your APY. There's a 5% direct referral reward system and withdraw your limits here. So over here, let's go to the race. All right, take a look at this. Doesn't this kind of look cool here? Earn 1% daily return until your 365 of your investment is reached. Recruit team, you get started right here. I'm actually I got 216 of these tokens. I'm actually gonna put some in here in about an hour or so. I'm waiting for my my friend with his buddy link so I can get started and go from there. But Piston is launched. Today's the first day. Earn 1% daily income until you get 365 of your investment. You can also go to the white paper. White paper kind of tells you everything. I would spend some time here understanding the compounding, the hydrating, everything else. But Piston token, also you can exit the race in the first 7 days. So if you did put your money into the race and something happened, Piston is actually allowing you to actually exit the race. I think you got to pay taxes and stuff like that, but that's actually good. Most projects don't allow you to do that. Piston is allowing you to do that. Fantastic. All right, Piston token. Did you get your tokens? Are you going to get in the race? Let's check it out. Day one for Piston. I mean, the pre-launches, all that other stuff is the pre-launches. Today is day one. Imagine if you could have gotten a drip network in 1 year from now. Now, do all your own homework. Everything's important. Do your research and check everything out. All right, let's go over to Shiba Inu. What's going on with Shiba? Dogecoin is here and Shiba's down here. They flip-flop a little bit, but there's some big news going on with Shiba. It says right here, Shiba Inu Metaverse is coming. Lands to be available ready soon. Shiba Metaverse. Holy cow, everybody. You know the Metaverse is going to be big. And everybody says, what's the next Shiba Inu? What's the next Shiba Inu, everybody? What's going to be the next Shiba? Well, if there's a Shiba Metaverse, holy cow. The Shiba Inu community is in for a treat. They're making new announcements to get started early across the land in the Shiba Metaverse. The Shiba MV is coming, Shiba Army. Lands are becoming available really soon, and you can get in early by locking in. Get in early by locking in your leash or your Shiba SHIS at Shiba.io. Wonder if you'll end up near my land. So you can get land here. You've heard it right, Shiba Army. You can get early access to the land by locking leash. About the leash in the nutshell. All right, here's the leash. The idea of leash was conceived in 2021, the same time as the Shiba Swap, the project decentralized exchange. Leash was designed to incentivize liquidity providers, LP, on the exchange along Bone by purchasing or staking Leash. You can acquire X-Leash tokens by joining the X-Leash ETH liquidity pool. Now users can use Leash Locker to get early access to the Shiba land. Oh boy, how to reserve your piece of land in the Shiba. This is going to be big, everybody. 3 sales events. Look at that. Shiba Inu is getting ready to take off. The 3 sales events are classified in 3 main events: the bid event, the holders event, and the public sale. So you got the bid event, which is 72 hours. You got the public sale, and you also got the holders of 7 days. The announcement is indeed an excellent opportunity for the community that wants to get a piece of the Shiba land early. So if the Shiba is having a metaverse and you can buy land to be available soon in the metaverse of the Shiba metaverse, you may want to get some land in the Shiba Metaverse and do all your own homework, of course. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Shiba Metaverse, like it, don't like it, you're going to get some land, you're not going to get some land. Think it's silly getting land in the Metaverse, or do you like the idea of it? I don't know, give us your thoughts in the bottom. All right, Piston token, launched today. Go back a year, could you get in the drip network the day it launched? Where would you be? Would you have been happy? Dogecoin is jumping off the charts. Let's go back over to Doge and Shiba Inu with the Metaverse. Holy cow, everybody. All right, back over to the website. What is
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
Alright, I always like this video because it's on their website. Really like the Dogecoin. Let's go over for a price prediction. This coin is hitting hard. It's at literally 17 cents and it's up hugely right now. What do I mean by that? Well, let's take a look. It's up 19%. It was actually 18% when I started the video. It went up a whole other percent. It was up 13% when I started the video. Now it's 14%. What's our price prediction? Keep an eye on it. I mean, it could go to 18 or 19, but it's going up, 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 so is it going to bounce back down? Do all your own homework, but the coin is trending upwards, which is fantastic. Now, Shiba Inu, take a look here. I mean, it's up 1.69% for the day, which is real good. All right, everybody, a lot of good stuff going on the green here. You got the Dogecoin and you got the Shiba. All right, so Piston token launches today. The race is already going. Do you want to get in the race? 1% a day, 365% of your investment. All right, get 1% back. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, liking them both. They're right there. All right, click over here so you can see our most recent video, and click over here you can learn about Drip Network, 1% a day, 365. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day.